If I got $1 every time someone asks me how does live streaming agency actually work, I'll probably be a millionaire in dollars right now. So in this video today, I'm going to break down step by step in the simplest way possible what is live streaming agency all about, how do agents make money on all this live streaming platform, what do hosts actually do, and is this business legit or is just a hype, as well as the mistake most beginners make once they become agents on all these live streaming platforms. So if you've been confused, this video is for you because it's going to help you understand everything you need to know about agency and being an agent on all these live streaming platforms. So what is live streaming actually? Live streaming platforms are apps where creators go live, they entertain people, they build communities, and they receive virtual cards or gifts that convert to money. They also earn commission from referral and much more. And such live streaming platforms that I'm talking about are platforms like PoppoLive, Bolo or BIGO Live, Tango Live, and so many other platforms out there. There are thousands of platforms right now. So what is live streaming agency? Because so many people will tell you that, okay, if you are on all this live streaming platform, you need to become an agent. It's agents that have money, you need to open your agency, and a lot of people are confused about that. So a live streaming agency is like a team that recruits or train or support and managing live streaming hosts, because I'm going to also explain what is a host is on all this live streaming platform, right? So who are the hosts? Hosts are people that do their tasks that go live. Like if you are new now, you just sign up. Maybe you heard that, okay, come on, PoppoLive, there's an app that you live stream. You just stay and keep your face and you live stream, you make money, and you just come and sign up. That means you are a host. And every host needs to be under an agency, because agents are people that will train you, explain to you. Like me now, as I'm talking to you, I'm an agent on the platform, and you can join my agency if you are new. So you are a host. The moment you join, you are a host. Either PoppoLive or any other live streaming platform you join, that means you are a host. So as a host, you do your tasks, you go live, you do all the tasks that is needed according to the platform that you sign up on. And the moment you sign up, you have your unique ID representing that, okay, this unique ID is what people can use to search you, is what, if anyone click on your link and there is any referral benefit, is using that your ID that will determine what will go for who. Then who is an agent? Agents are people that recruit, that manage, that support hosts, right? So the moment you sign up and you are on the platform and you now want to become an agent, you have to sign up to also become an agent. I'll be using PoppoLive as an example right now. If you are a host, you want to become an agent, in the comment section of this video and in the description of this video, I will drop a link that you can sign to become an agent. But note that for you to become an agent, you must not be under somebody's agency. And if you are already under somebody's agency, you need to request to quit that agency so that you can now become an agent. You can reach out to your agent and tell him or her that you want to start your own agency, right? Then you can now come and click the link. So the moment you click the link, it will take you to your browser where you are now going to put your own PoppoLive ID. And the moment you put your PoppoLive ID and confirm it, Poppo will send you an OTP code to your Poppo Messenger. You will now go to your Poppo Messenger, carry that code, come and place it and confirm it, and voila, congratulations, you have become an agent. So what is an agency? An agency is a team that is structured under the platform. That means now that you are an agent, you have your agency, and then in your agency, you will now be teaching people, you'll be recruiting people, you'll be explaining to them how the app work. That means you now have your own agency, right? So now that you understand who is a host, who is an agent, and what is an agency, right? So how does agents make money? I know this is a question that a lot of people are waiting for. Please, if you have watched this far, kindly like this video, drop a beautiful comment. There's so many things that are coming your way. Please, I have a Telegram channel now, aside from the Telegram group, because I lock it up. Please, if you are watching me, just know that I'm not selling coin. Anybody that trying to DM you is a scam. Please don't fall victim. So there's now a Telegram channel, and as well as WhatsApp. You can now reach me out up on WhatsApp, so feel free to make use of that. Is in the description of this video and in the comment section. But if you call me, the number will not go through. You can only reach out to me via WhatsApp. So how does agents make their money? Agents make money via commission. There are a lot of commissions that comes to you as an agent based on your team performance. That means people that are in your agency, how is their performance? You yourself, how is your performance? Because as an agent, you are also in your agency, so even your own performance individually, your performance will also tell on your agency. So, and the host activities, that means all these hosts under your agency, the activities they are doing. You are going to also make money from referral, from selling coins. I have made this video explaining to you 13 different ways you can make money on PoppoLive. So actually there are different ways agents make money. You can watch that video, and there is how the commission is being calculated, because as an agent the commission is coming based on your level as an agency, not your weight level, not your leveling up. So even as you become an agent, based on the income you make in the last 3 days will determine either you will be level S agent, which means you'll be getting 20% from every activity on your agency, or you will be level C, which you will get 16%, or you will be level B is 16%, level C is 12%, and so on and so forth. The list, because the moment you sign up and become an agent, you are level D. That means you are getting only 4%. What that means is that even as I am an agent and you are an agent, activity under your agency, if you are a level D agent, meaning you can be getting only 4%, while that same activity under my agency I'll be getting 20%. Please, you need to watch that video. Every agent need to watch that video, and I did that video a year plus ago. So if you need the latest one, if you want me to recreate a better, well explained video about that income, please let me know in the comment section. If I have up to 10 persons that are interested, I will make the latest video. You can also be selling coins to make money. There are different ways. Watch that 13 different ways to make money, as well as how agent income is being calculated. And you must also note this, that your income depends on your efforts. Your incomes depends on the quality recruitment you are making. Your income depends on the training you are training people under your agency, and how consistent you are as an agent. Like me now, I make use of YouTube, is one of my strongest place where I train people, because even though even if you are not under my agency, you can access my video. So please, if you are not liking this video, please do that. It means a lot to me. So you need to also always have that at the back of your mind, so that you can put in the work. So what are the biggest mistakes beginners make as an agent on all these live streaming platforms? Your mistake number one is expecting fast money, because you see somebody like me that have been on all these platforms 3, 4, 5 years ago. If I'm withdrawing $1,000, $2,000, you think you just join today and start making that much. Well, if you are a celebrity and you have millions of followers, why not? But if you are just starting, please don't expect fast money. You have to put in the work, just as I've said earlier, right? Your mistake number two that beginners agents make is recruiting inactive hosts. Some of you, because I said depend on the activity under your agency, and you need to add people need to join your agency, you will now come and be picking everybody you see on the street. Come and tell, no, if you live stream, you make money. You will not explain to them very well. You make people that can barely buy data for themselves, people that don't even want to be serious with their life, people that can scroll on TikTok from morning till night, but they find it difficult to do. Like, you don't do that. If you are recruiting people under your agency, make sure there are people that are serious minded. Like me now, I might not necessarily have impact or know who the serious persons, because I put up my videos and people watch the video and learn. But believe you me, you see those people that will come and search how to make money online via live streaming, or how to make money online in Nigeria, from Nigeria, and all those things. They have already know their pain point, and they really want to learn. So out of them, at least I get some good percentage or good number of persons that are serious. So you need to recruit active hosts. If you are recruiting inactive hosts, bringing everybody thinking it's just the number game, you are going to suffer. Mistake number 3 that beginners agents make on all these live streaming platform is no training system. You just bring people. Okay, let's even assume these people want to be serious. Most of these live streaming platform are built on Web3 and all that. That is why you can withdraw with dollars, USDT and all that. So it's not as just signing up. There are more to it that they need to be trained. Okay, if you are an agent, if at all, since somebody have already joined your agency, the person cannot just leave like that, you understand? So if you cannot even explain to them, refer them, get my videos. I have put a playlist, copy just the playlist. After the person just say, me too, I know too sabi o. Forgive my teaching English. Please watch this video. This lady explained better. It's as good as that. I will help you to train them just as I'm training you too. So try as much as you can to train them, because no training system is another thing that can cost you or make you not to make money or more money, or the mistake that beginners make on all these live streaming platform. Another mistake is inconsistency. Oh my God, I don't know how to loud this so much. Because you want to make money, you are so desperate. Every app that you hear about, you are running everywhere and you are nowhere. Could you believe that with all this live streaming platform, I'm only on 3? And every week, there is no week I don't get 2 or 3 platforms reaching out to me to promote their platform. But I will just take my time, go through it, check every system, and I see that a lot of them, they just want to cheat people, and I don't go out. I don't continue. I don't do it, even if they are paying me money to promote it. All right, so you need to be consistent. Pick one, stay long enough, develop, build. You understand? In fact, everybody need to read that book. One thing, I think I will drop the link in the description of this video. You can go get it, buy it, and watch that video. So if you are serious about learning how this business works, and you are serious about becoming an agent properly, you need to join my Telegram channel or message me on WhatsApp. And please, I beg you, in the name of whatsoever you hold most in your life, is be careful of scammers. I will never DM you. I will never message you. I will never ask you to come and buy coin. I will never ask you to send me money. In this 21st century, I beg you, in the name of God, please. How can somebody just send you message because the person is holding my profile picture and you believe it's me, even when you are seeing a complete different name? If there's anything I'm grateful for, some of these past leaders is BVN. You cannot create any business name with, you cannot create any account with somebody else's name. So please, I beg of you, I don't know how to stress this enough. I beg of you, I will never ask you, I will never DM you, I will never ask you for money. If you have not subscribed by this time, I need to ask you, because what thing I do you? Please subscribe. Please drop a beautiful comment. If you need more video, feel free to ask. Like this question, it keep popping up, so I just have to make this video, and that's why you are enjoying it right now. So if you have your question, ask in the comment section, join my Telegram channel, and you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.